Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Caution. Use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Carefully peel back and remove the mylar cover from the wireless module and set it aside for reuse. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle-nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the system board and allow it to raise to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the wireless module with the key in the wireless module slot on the system board. Gently insert the wireless module into its slot on the system board. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the system board. Reconnect the wireless antenna cables to the wireless module. Caution. Use care when connecting the wireless antenna cables to the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.